Looking into buying the Smile Makers collection? Before you make that decision, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know to make sure you're getting the best value for your money. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what sets this collection apart from the competition and whether it's the right choice for you. First off, the Smile Makers collection is all about delivering a unique experience with an incredible variety of high-quality items. Unlike many other products in this category, it stands out by offering a wide selection that blends both luxury and practicality. From the sleek design to the innovative features, it's designed to impress. However, if you're considering other options, it's worth noting that while some competitors provide similar offerings, none seem to match the overall quality and user satisfaction that this collection delivers. Next thing you'll want to consider is the ease of use. One of the biggest complaints from buyers of similar products is how difficult they can be to use. Whether it's confusing instructions, complex interfaces, or just poor ergonomics, it can make or break your experience. With Smile Makers collection, that's not something you need to worry about. The setup is incredibly simple, and everything is designed to be intuitive, so you can get started right away without wasting time. The third thing you need to know is that this collection is built to last. Many products in the same space come with limited durability, especially if you're using them on a regular basis. However, the Smile Makers collection is known for its premium materials, designed to endure wear and tear over time. The longevity of the product is one of its strongest points, and it's definitely worth mentioning when compared to cheaper, less durable alternatives. The fourth thing you should know is the versatility it offers. Whether you're new to this category of products or an experienced user, this collection caters to a wide range of needs. Some alternatives are more specialized or niche-focused, but the Smile Makers collection's adaptability makes it a great choice for almost anyone, regardless of experience level or specific requirements. Next, let's talk about the price. When it comes to getting value for your money, Smile Makers collection has a competitive edge. Sure, you can find cheaper options out there, but they often compromise on quality or features. With Smile Makers collection, you're getting premium quality at a price that, when compared to the competition, actually feels like a great deal, especially considering the free trial available for you to test the product risk-free. Another point worth mentioning is customer support. If you've ever bought a product and then struggled to get help when something goes wrong, you'll appreciate the exceptional customer service from Smile Makers. They offer responsive, helpful support that's there when you need it, unlike some competitors that leave you on hold forever or provide unclear answers. If customer service matters to you, this could be a game changer. The last thing to note is the exclusive benefits you'll get if you take action now. When you click the first link in the description below, you'll be able to get the best free trial offer available, giving you full access to the Smile Makers collection without any commitment. This is an opportunity that many buyers have taken advantage of, and it's worth exploring if you want to fully experience what the collection has to offer before making your final decision. So, if you're considering the Smile Makers collection, don't miss out on the chance to try it risk-free and see for yourself why so many people are choosing it over the competition. Click the first link in the description below to get your best offer, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.